Hey, Vlad here, devinsideU.com. Welcome to another video. Hey, Vlad here, devinsideU.com. Welcome to another video. Hey, Vlad here, devinsideU.com is finally live. Man, it took me almost 2 years to start creating it, and so for almost 2 years, devinsideU.com was simply redirecting to my YouTube channel. Alright, I want to keep this video short, so let me just quickly run through a few things that I want to say. First of all, if you're already on my YouTube page, at the top right you have the links. So the first one goes straight to the website. You also have the Patreon link, the Discord link, Twitter, and GitHub. So if you just click on the website, you go to devinsideU.com. Now you can obviously go and check out the page at your own pace. I'm not going to walk you through everything, but there are a few things that I indeed want to mention. The most important one being the affiliate links. So if you go to support section and scroll down, then you see the section about the affiliate links, and there's a tiny explanation over here, but it's frankly not enough. Affiliate links in general work in such a way that a short string, it's called a tag, is being generated by a company like Amazon, which uniquely identifies me. And then if that tag is included in the URL of the product and then you buy the product, then I get a few pennies of the total price. And the very important thing to know is that you don't pay anything extra, as is stated on my website. Now, it sounds very easy and intuitive, but on a website like Amazon, if you click through one of my links, for example, for this one, Amazon Germany, if I click it over here, I'm actually going to exit the full screen of my Chrome so that you actually see the URL. Now, somewhere in the URL, you will see a tag. Let me find it real quick. It's probably somewhere in the end. Language, link ID, here, there you go. This is my tag for, sorry, this one. This is my tag for Amazon Germany. And the problem is that once you start looking for something else on Amazon, like, I don't know, coffee, right? You click on something else, the tag is going to disappear from the URL. But apparently, according to Amazon's documentation, the tag is still stored in the cookie for the next 24 hours. So if you still buy even this random coffee machine that I just clicked on, that I should still get some small commission. I'm really excited to find out how well it actually works in practice. All right, so there seems to be no straightforward way for me to have only one affiliate links for all the Amazon websites. I seem to need to have a tag for each individual country, and also I'm not allowed to be in any country. For example, if I wanted to have a tag in Australia, I would actually need an Australian address, or if I wanted to have a tag for India, I would actually need to have an account in an Indian bank, which I don't. Also, I'm not allowed to link straight to Amazon, and I'm also not allowed to ask you to bookmark my affiliate links. So instead, I have to link you to some products. So I listed some products that I use for random countries. There's my favorite mouse, NVMe drives that I use, the headset that I use, the Nest that I use, and so on and so on. So yeah, the only affiliate link that I have right now, which is not Amazon, is Namecheap, which is the domain provider that I use. In general, in the future, I'll try to keep this list up to date as soon as I have some new affiliate opportunities. So make sure to check back from time to time. All right, I'm pretty much done talking. I just want to say a few more things. So if you go to contact, there is a Discord server over here. If you don't know what Discord is, it's basically Slack, and it's being marketed as a communication tool for gamers. So it's basically Slack for gamers. So you can just go to my server and just hang out. If you have any random questions, if they're not directly related to my videos, because if they're related to my videos, you can just go comment down below. But if they're not, if you just have a programming question or something, just go to Discord and hang out. There's also Twitter. And yeah, for business opportunities, just send me an email. The other thing is that, as announced in my thank you video, I'm working on my very first premium course. And if you would like to be notified via email, just put it over here, click on submit. And the last thing that I want to say is that if you want to support me, click through my Patreon link over here. And there's still a few days left for this very special limited early supporter badge. Check out my thank you video for details. But basically, if you subscribe to any tier, then you get this early supporter limited badge. All right, so that's all I wanted to say. I wasn't even sure if I should make this video or not. So yeah, go and try to find some Easter eggs on my website, and most importantly, take care.